Hi, my name is Lucia. I'm a technology consultant at Continuous Technologies. This is the 15th episode in the Alteryx Tips and Tricks series, in which we help you make your workflow reach its full potential. This episode, we will be deselecting duplicates from the join tool. Usually when you're joining, those fields are the same. Like if you're joining on an ID number, those fields will be exactly the same. So something Alteryx lets you do in the options here, you'll see all those settings that I just talked about in the select tool in the video before. But in here, I can deselect duplicate fields. So if I'm matching on ID and the name is ID from both of them, I'm able to drop this. Now it won't drop fields unless they're named identically. So if you have like an underscore in between, it won't do that. Really helpful if you're using the join multiple tool as well. If you have like 5 of the same exact columns, it'll drop them all in one step. Now be careful because it still will remove those columns even if the data is different. So make sure you watch out for that.